Hello students, this is Rajashekaran from MathWar. Getting confused after memorizing trigonometric table? Here is an easy trick to keep it in mind. Before entering to the concept, we must know some basic relations. Cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is, cosecant theta is a reciprocal of sin theta. The other way, sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta only, secant theta. Then cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Cot theta equal to reciprocal of tan theta. In the same way, tan theta equal to 1 by cot theta. Another important thing is tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. When you divide sin theta and cos theta, we will get that tan theta. Here in this table, we have 6 trigonometrical ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. And we have a standard angles: 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Now we are going to find out the value for sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, sin 90. In the same way for cos, for tan, cot, cosecant, cosecant. For everything we are going to find out the values. Now we will find out the values one by one. Actually, you should start with this place as 0. Here 1, 2, 3 and 4. You should give the values as 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we should divide everywhere by 4. 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. Now for this you want to find out the answer. 0 by 4 is 0, 1 by 4 will come as it is 1 by 4, 2 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 2 and 3 by 4 will come as it is 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 answer is 1. Now for 0 degree we got 0, 30 degree 1 by 4, 45 degree 1 by 2, 60 degree 3 by 4 and 90 degree 1 we got it. Now we are supposed to take the square root of that value. Square root of 0 answer is 0. Now square root of 1 by 4, that 1 by 4 only here, no? So square root of 1 by 4 answer is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 answer is square root of 1 is 1 by square root of 2 answer is square root of 2 itself. Now square root of 3 by 4 is equal to square root of 3 will come as it is divided by square root of 4 answer is 2. So root 3 by 2, here square root of 1 answer is 1. Now what answer we got it? That is the answer for sin theta. That is sin 0 degree is nothing but 0. Next sin 30 degree is nothing but 1 by 2. Next sin 45 degree is nothing but 1 by root 2. And sin 60 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2. Then sin 90 degree is nothing but 1. That's all students. With this value itself we are going to find out all the other 5 trigonometrical values. Now sin theta over cos theta is nothing but like a reverse order we should write it. Here 0 is the first value, right? That we should write it here. 0 is the first value, that is sin 0 degree is 0. We should write it as a sin, that is cos 90 degree as 0. So first number we wrote it as 0, second number 1 by 2 we wrote it, third number 1 by root 2, that as it is we should write it here, and fourth number root 3 by 2, that you should write it here, root 3 by 2, and fifth number is 1, that we should write it here. So you can see here exactly in a reverse way it came, like a last value comes first, first value goes last. So 0 first number, that is last number, 1 by 2 before last number, 1 by root 2 before that, and root 3 by 2 before that, and that last one will come as a first one. Next we are going to find out the value for tan theta. We know that just now we learned tan theta is nothing but sin theta by cos theta. If you divide sin value and cos value, we will get the tan value. So 0 divided by 1 answer 0. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. It is 1 by root 3 will come. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 by 2. After getting 2 cancelled, it's 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, it is nothing but 1. And root 3 by 2 divided by 1 by 2. 2 will get cancelled. Root 3 by 1 will come, that is root 3. And 1 by 0, any number divided by 0 is not defined. So it is infinity. Next, already you know cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. The reciprocal of tan theta only cot theta. So now we have cot theta here, tan theta here. Reciprocal of 0. Actually reciprocal of 0 means it is 1 by 0. Again it is infinitive. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. Then reciprocal of 1 is 1. Reciprocal of root 3 is 1 by root 3. Reciprocal of infinity, that is 1 by infinity will come. 1 by infinity is nothing but 0. 1 by infinity value is 0. Next, secant theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. Secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. That is the reciprocal of cos theta is secant theta. Now cos theta is here. Reciprocal of that value we want to write it as secant theta. Now 1 by 1, answer 1. Here root 3 by 2. Reciprocal if you take, it is 2 by root 3. There root 3 by 2, reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Here root 2, 1 by root 2. If you take reciprocal, it's root 2 by 1, it is root 2. Here 1 by 2, if you take reciprocal, it is 2 by 1, it is 2. And 0 is here, reciprocal of 0, that is 1 by 0, answer is infinitive. The last one, cosecant theta. We know cosecant theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. That is the reciprocal of sin theta is cosecant theta. Sin theta is here, that reciprocal we are going to take it. 0, reciprocal of 0, that is 1 by 0, that is infinitive. Then first one is 1 by 2, the next value is 1 by 2, that if you take reciprocal is 2 by 1, that is 2. Then again it is 1 by root 2, if you take reciprocal it is root 2 by 1, that is root 2. Then root 3 by 2, reciprocal of that is 2 divided by root 3, and final answer it is 1. Here 1, reciprocal of 1 is 1. That's all students. Easily we can find out the trigonometrical tables for the standard angles by using the basic relations and using the one simple concept we found it out. Hope you understand this clearly. Thank you very much.